Alright guys, so one of the things I'm going to show you first is going to be bottles. You're going to need one for acetone and one for alcohol. It's something you're going to need pretty much on every single client, so I recommend just having both. It helps me out a lot to have both. That way you're not having to go grab a bottle and like pour it in there. You can find these anywhere. I think I got this one at Sally's. Maybe it was like $7 or $8. And this one came with my Young Nails kit that I got online. So that's definitely a must-have. Alright guys, so my next essential item that you're going to be needing if you want to do nails is a UV gel light. Definitely go with one that's LED. They cure faster, it's better, the bulbs don't wear out, and this one is actually motion detected, so like as soon as your client puts their hand in, it automatically comes on, which I like because it helps. It's actually big enough to where even if your nails are kind of long, you're still not going to be hitting them, so I like that one. Some UV lamps that are on the cheaper side come a little bit smaller, so you may have that problem with people hitting their nails, but this one's nice. It's very roomy. It's got a low heat setting, so whenever you're doing gel on natural nails, you definitely don't want to put like the full heat, because you can obviously tell, you can see the brightness, like it's super bright. And when you do your low power mode, it's very low heat, so that's better for natural nails, in case you didn't know that. And I usually do 30 seconds in between each coat. That question always pops up a lot when people ask me about nails. So 30 seconds for each coat, LED light. This one's the Luxe Up one. You can find this one on Amazon. I'll put the exact price somewhere right here. And okay, moving on to the next item. Alright, so my next essential item is going to be this nail drill. You can get this one on Amazon for about 80 to 90 bucks. There's other models that are probably like it that are a little cheaper. I've actually had this one for well over a year now, and it actually works amazing. It works great. I use it on a daily basis. It's cordless, and when you turn it on, you can see how much battery you have, and you can go forward or reverse, up or down. And so I think this one is great. It's lasted me a long time. I used to have like a bulkier desktop one that I got off eBay. That was like my first drill, and that thing wore out. The hand drill wore out. The cord used to pinch my arm. It was too much, so I went for the cordless one, and I love it. I definitely recommend it for a nail tech. This is definitely essential. All right, so my next essential must-have item is going to be this cute little marble brush holder. I actually got this from TJ Maxx for only $6, so that's a pretty good deal. I think it's actually like a toothbrush holder. I'm not really sure, but I like it for brushes because it matches my desktop, which is going to be another one of my essential items. Let's say you have an old desk that maybe doesn't look as good on the top, and maybe you've put acrylic on it, or you've used acetone on your desktop and it looks messed up. Well, you can actually order, let me show you so you can see a little better. You can order a new topping like I did, because mine was pretty messed up, and you're able to just peel and stick. That way your workspace will look like new, even if it's an old desk, and I really like it. It's marble, so it looks nice in the backgrounds for all my pictures. So essential, and you can find the peel and stick on Amazon. I'll put the price right here, and then the link will be in the description, of course. Alright guys, so my next essential item is definitely going to be a nice lamp. You definitely want to be able to see everything you're doing. You want a nice bright light that's going to look good, so when you're working, everything is bright and clear. This one is bomb. You can turn the light up or down, and it's touch sensitive, so there's no buttons, you're just touching it. And it's awesome. So I definitely highly recommend this for nails. Or not just nails, crafting, whatever, but I love it. So 40 bucks on Amazon, I promise you it's worth it. Alright, my next essential item is going to be this Pana Tornado drill bit. It's super nice, got it off Amazon as well. I'll go ahead and put the price on the screen and also link it in the description. This is definitely not for natural nails. You're only going to want to use this for debulking and specifically soak offs when you're trying to remove all the acrylic. So that's really good for that. It gets straight to the point. Cut down time on your soak offs. If you're having a hard time with soak offs and removing your acrylic with acetone, definitely you need this bit to get off that bulk and help you get down to this nice easy level so you can get all that acrylic off. Highly recommend. Okay, the next bit I'm going to recommend is a cuticle bit. If you're new to nails and you don't really know what this is for, basically you're just going to run this around the circles of your cuticle like that, and you're going to be nice and gentle with it, and this is going to help you lift up all your dead skin from the cuticle area, And it's really, truly, truly essential to any nail service of any kind, any acrylic set. You're going to need this bit to go around that area and help clean all that up. Okay, so getting more into the fun stuff, here we have some dried flowers. I got these off AliExpress. They were only $2.22. Thought that was pretty good for the deal, even though it does take a while to get here. They were really nice. If you're a beginner, these are great for you to try encapsulating. You know, if it seems a little big, then just cut a piece off or cut small little pieces of the flower and then use that and put it inside the nail. Cap it with clear acrylic to make sure you don't file it away or anything like that, and make sure it's sealed in there. So these are nice for beginners if you want to work with some dried flowers. Okay, my next beginner essential is going to be gold foil. Trust me, you cannot do nails without foil. I guarantee you, every other person you do, somebody will be asking for this, or a silver foil, or a gold foil. So I got this. This was $5 at Hobby Lobby. You just have to look around, and they have it in, I think, gold and silver at Hobby Lobby. So you get this much for only $5, so that's way better. And I keep a smaller bottle of it just right here on my desk. That way, so I can grab it easier whenever somebody does ask for it. But definitely gold foil. $5, guys. Come on. Go to your local Hobby Lobby. Go to your local Hobby Lobby and get it. Come on, guys. $5. You're behind if you don't have this. Okay, so the next two beginner essentials I want to show you are going to be decals. If you're not using decals yet, what are you waiting for? What are you afraid of? These are awesome. They're amazing. They're beautiful. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of a set of nails I did with these, so you can see how they look. These are off Etsy. So you can just type in baby angels on Etsy and they'll pop right up. I also got these off Etsy, and as you can see, people are already using them, and they're super realistic. Literally all you do is take a damp paper towel and just wet a little piece of paper towel, cut the butterfly you want, and you're going to place that on top of the paper towel, and you'll see it'll slide right off. So these are really, really easy to use. I know maybe if you buy cheap ones, they might not work so well, but these definitely work great. They're both off Etsy. I'll link everything in the description below if you want to check these out. All right, guys, so the next thing I'm going to get ready to talk to you guys about is one of my favorite nail art items, foils. Okay, so this one is super popular. This one's pretty popular, but you can see I have different colors. And I also have these. These have not been opened yet. And all of these foils that you see, not this, all these came with this. And there's a few more that I don't have displayed because they're kind of Christmassy. And it also came with this. This is the GOAT right here. I'm telling you, if you have not used the Manicure nail art foil glue, then I don't know what you're using. But if it's not working 100%, go out and buy this one. This one is amazing. It does not dry from the air. It actually dries as a gel. So this is actually gel. You're going to have to cure this in the light for 60 seconds. Exactly. And then you apply the foil and stick it on there and rub it in really good. And when you take it off, voila. I'll go ahead and insert a picture right here of some nails that I've done with foils before. And so the Manicure kit comes with everything that you need on Amazon. I think it's like 20 bucks. I'll go ahead and pop up the screenshot of the actual product right here in case you want to go out and buy it. So I just want to let you guys know that this is a super popular item. When people come in and they don't know what they want, they always ask me, you know, what's cute? What should I get? And sometimes I'll just say, oh, why don't you try a foil? Because it's easy for me. It only takes me about 2 minutes. And you're going to make a good amount of money off the profit of that. So definitely highly recommend foils, guys, if you have never tried them. It's easy. All you need is the right product. So definitely grab the Manicure glue. And maybe try out your different foils and see how you like it. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so your next essential is going to be swatch sticks. I really like these, how they're like laid out one by one. So you can see the different range of all the different colors that I have. And it's super nice, you know, keep them all organized. Better than the ones that are one and one, because then they just kind of, you can't really see everything at once. I like these because you can see all the nudes. You can see all the pinks, you can see the glitters, they're all together, they're all cute. So I really like these. I'll post these in the description where I got them and the price. I'll put it right here. And I definitely recommend these. You guys need these. If your clients are coming through and they're having to figure out what color is what, that's not too good. You want them to be able to automatically see everything that you have. So These are very, very, very essential. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be recommending is this nail tech strengthener. You can get this at Sally's or find it online, but you definitely need this. After I do soak-offs on my clients, if that's all that they're getting is just the nails removed, I like to go ahead and apply this to their nails once I finish. It just kind of gives them a protective barrier on their natural nails when they leave with nothing on their nails. I highly recommend this. Even if you don't like acrylic and you don't like anything on your nails, you can put this on there and it'll actually help them from breaking. So highly, highly, highly recommend this. It does actually work. If you've tried a nail hardener and it doesn't really work, try this one. This one is great. All right, on to my next item. All right, guys, the last essential item I'm going to show you is going to be this D&D No Cleanse Top Coat. I always use a no cleanse top coat because when you use the regular top coats, it requires you to wipe the tacky layer off with alcohol, which actually makes the shine of the nail fade, and it actually can make your nails look matte, which is the opposite of what you're wanting if you want a glossy top coat. So grab a top coat that's no cleanse. It doesn't have to be this brand. It can, as long as it says no cleanse, that means whenever you put your hand in and you bring it back out, it's not going to be sticky. You're good to go. Like as soon as they bring their hand out of the light, good to go. No sticky, no nothing. So you need this. This is essential. Stop wiping away your top layer with alcohol and taking away the shine. Your clients hate it, I promise you. I promise you they hate that. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me show some of the things that I use and love and things that my clients love. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment, and hopefully you guys will subscribe to me. I'm going to try really hard to get to 1K, so if you guys can help me get to 1K subscribers, that would be amazing. Alright, well, it's time for me to go, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.